Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is SOQL, stands for Salesforce Object Query Language. These are similar to SQL queries. It is used to return a set of data from Apex and Visualforce. SOQL fetch data from S object, standard or custom. It can also fetch data from related objects, parent or child records. It will return result in form of list as object or map ID as object. It can return 50,000 records in a single call. Syntax: select field name from object name. Ways to execute SOQL queries: execute anonymous window in developer console, query editor in developer console, workbench, write Apex class and trigger code, using SForce toolkit, using Ajax in Visualforce page. Condition, expression, where condition optional. It is used for conditions single or multiple. For example, select name from account where name equals to Aman. Having condition optional. For example, select name from account group by name having count name is greater than 0. Group by column name optional, used to group results. For example, select name from account group by name. Order by column name optional, used to sort results in ascending or descending order. For example, select name from account order by name ascending. Operator not equals to optional. This operator simply means not equals to. For example, select ID name from account where phone not equals to null. Limit optional, used to restrict the number of rows to be returned by SQL query result. For example, select ID from account limit to. Offset optional, used to specify from which record result should be returned from the query result. For example, select name from account offset 10. All rows optional, used to fetch all records from yes object including records which are determined in the last 15 days. For example, select name from account all rows. Like optional, it is used to compare a string value or search for a string value in given fields. For example, select name from account where name like a percentage. In optional, it is used to compare the records. For example, select name from account where name in Aman. Thank you. So coming back to our practical session, first we need to open developer console. Here SOSL queries are there, what we had seen in our presentation. That query I am going to execute here. Select name from account where name equals to Aman. Click on execute. Total number of rows 1 is coming. Aman is 1. Having condition, select name from account group by name having count name greater than 0. Click on execute button. Total number of rows is 20 and it is also grouping the records A, then B, then C, then D, E, like this only. Group by column name. Select name from account group by name. It will group the records A, then B, then C, like this. Order by column name. Select name from account order by name ascending. In ascending order it is providing. If you want to make descending, make it DESC and click on execute button. It is displaying in descending order. A is coming at last. Not equals to, select ID name from account where phone not equals to null. These many records are displaying. If you want to display the phone, you can display the phone also. Again click on execute. See, all the phones are coming here. Limit, select ID from account limit equals to 2. Only 2 records are going to be displayed in these 2 records. Offset, select name from account offset 10. From 10th record it is going to display all rows. Select name from account all rows. It is going to display all the records including deleted records also. 21 records are displayed here. Like, select a name from account where name like a percentage means related to a. All the records are going to display a and anything is there. In, select name from account where name in Aman only one record is there. Like this we are working with SOQL. Thank you.